This is the newest and one of the easiest methods to make coconut oil at home. And you guys, by the end of this video, there is no way you're going to be complaining that you don't have the strength to make your coconut oil by yourself. So ensure to watch this video from the beginning to the end so you start making coconut by yourself. Hi besties, and welcome to today's video. So today guys, I'm sharing with you guys a new method and the simplest method of how to start making your coconut oil at home. And in order to make this coconut oil, we're going to be making use of just one coconut, which I've gone ahead to break and I've applied it out from the coconut shell. Right now, I always like to grate my coconut with my hand grater, and a lot of you are always concerned in the comment section of me getting injured. If you're already used to this process or you're careful enough, there's no way you're going to get yourself injured. Although sometimes some mistakes might happen, but you guys, I'm already used to it and nothing happens to my hand. I always go ahead to explain to you people, I like to grate my coconuts using the hand grater because I've noticed that whenever I do that, I gain more oil compared to when I blend it with my blender or take it to the industrial machine to grind. These are methods I've compared and I've realized that hand grating it is the best method, and that's what works for me, right? So if you have a blender, you can go ahead to blend it or take your own to the industrial machine, but for me, I'm just okay blending my own with my hand grinder. So the next thing is to go ahead and wash your already grated coconuts, which I have done in this video. So in order to sieve your coconut after washing it, you'll be needing a lining or what they call cheesecloth, right? If you don't have it but you have that filter that has tiny holes in it, you can also use it if that's what you have. You can always improvise with what you have. If you have scarf as well, you can make use of your scarf to do this method. So I like to wash my coconut twice. You can wash it more than that. How I usually know that I've extracted all the sweetness from my coconut is while washing, I always go ahead to taste it until I know that there is no sweetness. The simplest method is to turn your coconut milk into your plastic, which is this thing I'm currently doing right here. This method will save you time during the separation method, right? We are going to be leaving this overnight to ferment, and after the fermentation, you see that the coconut cud will be on top just like this, and the water will be separated from it and will be at the bottom, right? If I was supposed to leave this inside the pot or inside the bowl, I'll have to use spoon to start separating it. But using a plastic like this is going to save you the strength and the energy plus the time of going through all that. So I just went ahead and punctured the nylon and separated the water, and this is the remaining cord which I'm currently turning inside my pot. And you guys, you can see how easy it is. If both of us were doing this and you had turned your own inside the bowl, by now you still be separating your cord from the water, whereas I am done and I've placed my coconut cord on fire and this is it boiling. You just have to be patient and ensure that you're cooking it on a very medium or low heat. This is very simple and yet very detailed, and if you follow this process, you start making your coconut oil by yourself and stop buying. Some of those ones you buy from the market are not usually pure coconut oil. Additives are already added onto it in order to increase the size of it so that the market women can gain from their product. So if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.